The G20 summit will be held from September 9 to September 10 in New Delhi, and the preparations are on in full swing. And if you live in Delhi, you will enjoy a short holiday from the 8th of September to the 10th of September. But if you are planning a trip to Delhi during this time, we have information that could seriously affect your plans. As per reports, almost 3,500 rooms across big and small hotels in Delhi and Gurugram have been booked to cater the delegates and leaders coming for the G20 summit. 400 rooms are booked in ITC Maurya for US President Joe Biden alone. Chinese President Xi Jinping will be staying at the Taj. Some luxury hotels say that the few rooms available in their hotels will be priced starting from 60,000 rupees plus taxes for a single occupancy. Hotel prices are indicating a 400% hike in the first half of September. Rental car industry in Delhi is also witnessing a skyrocketing demand for luxury vehicles ahead of G20. All luxury vehicles at travel and tour companies have been sold out for high-profile attendees. Even SUVs like Innova, Crista, Mercedes GLC are booked for delegates. As per reports, rental companies are expanding their fleet and sourcing vehicles from neighboring cities like Chandigarh, Jaipur, Agra, and a few others. Rentals of these vehicles have also gone up. Full-day rentals now range from 30,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees for a Mercedes E-Class and 65,000 rupees to a lakh for S-Class. The summit is affecting aviation too. Around 250 flights might be cancelled daily between and around the G20 dates. The Ministry of Civil Aviation is also expected to release guidelines, and the security will be extremely tight during these days. So if you are planning a trip to Delhi in the first half of September, you may want to postpone your plans. Traffic restrictions and the diversions for the summit will also kick in from the midnight of September 7. There will be restrictions on movement of the general public in areas that come under the New Delhi Municipal Corporation like Janpath, Ashoka Road, Lodi Road and others. High security will be deployed in markets like Delhi Hart, Chandni Chowk, Khan Market, Connaught Place and Malcha Market. Routes like the North-South Corridor, the East-West Corridor, the Ames Chowk, Dhaula Kuan and others will be open for general public.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.